welcome to Nana Crafts. Add some shaving cream in water and mix it well. Now add some FEVICOL in the container. Now add the activator slowly.
Keep adding the activator and mix it until the desired consistency of slime is reached. Since we are making two slimes of two different colors, that is, the first one is white and the second one is red, so I'm repeating the same procedure to make the red slime.
Now add some red color to make a red slime. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.